One of the criticisms of the work from anywhere model for years has been, is this only for knowledge workers, people who can work with a laptop? And I think what's changing that is digital twins. So digital twins are a combination of sensors, the cloud, AI and automation, where you can create a digital replica of a factory, of a power plant, of a hospital ward, of a farmland, of an airport, any physical operation. And once you have that virtual replica on your computer in real time, then not everyone has to be in person in the factory or the farmland or the warehouse. And this is what's now taking over the world. I would say this is a phenomena that's very real, unlike the metaverse. And this is a phenomena that Indian companies should pay attention to. So Enerjisa Üretim is the Turkish company I studied. They have 24 power plants all over Turkey. And their problem was the best engineers and technicians did not want to go and live in the village or mountain of Turkey. They wanted to live in Istanbul because that's where the schools are. And so they created a digital twin headquarters in Istanbul, where from one room, they operate 24 power plants now. And now the interesting thing is, and I've written a case study on this. The fascinating thing is, once they figured out how to do this, now they are taking this technology to Qatar and Saudi Arabia and selling digital twin licenses. So earlier they were selling power to the grid. Now they've become a tech company selling digital twin licenses to Qatari power plants and Saudi power plants. Okay. So I would say this is a lesson for Indian companies that in your space, an L&T or whoever can become the pioneer digital twin company in the world.